Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am here to talk about how to build your own gaming PC. So let's go our Google screen and type the topic. So you can see here many types of questions. Websites are linked. We need to know more. So we can read the first article. Um, When your computer cannot meet the demand of your gaming, it might be time to search and find out how to build your own gaming PC. If you are interested in taking your game to an entirely new level of customization, here's a guide on how to build a gaming computer and create a killer rig. If you really don't know where to start, our best place for a gaming PC should have performance and cost are directly related. The most important consideration to making is the level of performance you accept to get on the gaming computer you are about to build. Building a gaming PC that is still a powerful machine on a tight budget is completely practical. You don't need to pay a premium to get solid game performance. However, if you are looking to push the threshold of gaming performance with cutting-edge hardware and accessories, it will cost more. No matter which route you take, you will need to build a gaming PC from the inside out. How to build a gaming PC on a budget? When you build a gaming PC to save money, make sure you at least match the minimum system requirement of the games you want to play. But if your budget has room, it's wise to account for the rising system requirements of games you will want in the future. Completing a build only to run out of space a few months later will likely be more frustrating than being killed over and over by someone competed out in your favorite first-person shooter game. Gaming PC part. So, what do you need to build a gaming PC? Hardware is the engine of your gaming rig. It accounts for almost all the performance available. That includes the speed, responsiveness, frame rate, and running multiple apps at one time. For example, gaming while recording your gameplay on video. Other accessories and software can help and are still important, but they are complementary and that impact in dictated by competitors of hardware. So guys,